Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable parallel downloading in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So this will basically break down larger downloads into smaller data packets and then download them parallel to one another, which would in practice increase the speed of the downloaded files. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Edge browser, and in the address bar up at the top, you want to type in Edge, and then a colon, // flags, and hit enter. In the search flags field, type in parallel downloading. Best match should come back with parallel downloading. Click on the drop down here and select enabled, and then you will need to relaunch Microsoft Edge to save the change and for it to take effect. So pretty straightforward process on that. If you ever wanted to turn it off or disable it later, you can come back in here and just click the drop down and select default, or you can disable it actually if you want to just completely disable it, but more so if you just want to go back to the default setting, you just would select default and then select restart, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.